Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to withdraw Chainlink link from Gemini to KuCoin in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to move your assets smoothly between exchanges for better trading opportunities or portfolio management. This step-by-step guide is designed to be easy to follow, even if you're new to this. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Gemini and KuCoin, and that your Chainlink tokens are in your Gemini wallet. Always double-check that your accounts are secure with two-factor authentication enabled. Crypto security is no joke in 2025. Step 1. Log into your Gemini account. Head over to the dashboard and navigate to the Withdraw or Transfer section. It's usually found in the Wallet or Assets menu. Once there, select Chainlink link from the list of available cryptocurrencies. Next, you'll need your KuCoin wallet address. Hop over to your KuCoin account, go to the deposit section, and copy the link wallet address. Pro tip: always verify the network. Chainlink typically uses Ethereum's network, so ensure it's ERC20 compatible to avoid any transfer issues. Back on Gemini, paste that KuCoin address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of link you want to withdraw, but remember to leave enough for any network fees, which can vary in 2025 due to market conditions. Review all the details carefully, double-check the address to prevent sending funds to the wrong place. Hit the Confirm button, and Gemini will process your withdrawal. You'll likely get a confirmation email or notification. Now, wait for the transaction to go through. This could take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, log back into KuCoin and check your wallet. Your Chainlink should appear in your balance. Congrats! You've successfully moved your assets. If you run into any hiccups, like delays or errors, reach out to the exchange support or check Blockchain Explorers for transaction status. Wrapping this up, withdrawing Chainlink from Gemini to KuCoin is straightforward with a bit of caution. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. What's your next crypto move? Drop it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.